What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today, got another banger video for you guys, all right? Just last week, we put a 2,000 watt e-bike kit on my dad's bike. The joint is fast, but I was getting a lot of comments. People want to know the top speed. So today, we're gonna do a top speed test on this bike. We're also gonna race it against the Electric XP, so stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna even waste you guys' time at this point. We're just gonna get straight into it. But hit that like button 129 times for your boy. Let's get into the joint. So guys, the funniest thing happened yesterday. Your boy was out here thinking that he's getting quality footage for you guys, and it just so happened that the camera wasn't even pointed at the freaking speedometer. So you guys weren't even able to see how fast I was actually going. So today is the next day. I had to refilm one scene. Luckily, the other scenes came out good, so I'll actually post those. But I had to refilm the flat ground throttle only speed test. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. After that, I'll post the footage that I did yesterday, the uphill, downhill, and versus the Electric XP. But I mean, I guess it's a good thing because technically yesterday we didn't have a fully charged battery. And I don't know if you guys know this, but if your battery's fully charged, then that's the fastest that it can actually go. As the battery drains, it starts to slow down the bike. So we're gonna get a true top speed test for flat ground, throttle only. I whipped out the freaking phone, okay? I connected the freaking camera to the phone. We gonna make sure we got a bomb view for y'all, okay? I don't want no excuses for this video. All right, we're at 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Come on, 30. 32. 33. All right. So, we were able to hit 33 miles per hour, which is better than yesterday. But I'm telling you guys, dude, I took this bike out one day and I hit 34, but I was fully tucked. And I think that's preventing me from like actually hitting that 34 because, dude, it's a lot of wind resistance. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna try it again going back, and we're gonna try to get the tuck, and I'm gonna try to get the right camera angle for you guys. If not, I will be honest and let you guys know the true speed of the joint, okay? But I gotta get the tuck. Like, we gotta really like try to reach that 34 miles per hour. I think we could do it, okay? Hopefully y'all can see this because this is the position we're gonna be in. Here we go. I feel like y'all can't, but it's the best I can do. Here we go. Boom. I'll do a live commentary of the speed if you guys can't see it. We're already at 17, 20. Where are you, 20? We're already at 22, 25. I hope you guys can see this. 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, easily. There it is, there it is. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. 34, there it is. Give me that 35. Give me the 30 freaking 5. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. 35, come on, there it is. 36, 36. You saw it, I saw it. That's it. That's the fastest we gonna go. 36 miles per hour, guys. Let's go. That's how you do it. 2,000 watts. Pure freaking power. I'm going home. You guys can watch the video to the end. The next footage is from yesterday. Yo! All right, guys. We about to race the Electric XP. We already know the end goal. What's gonna actually happen. We just want to see how much faster the Electric XP is. I mean, how much slower the Electric XP is compared to this, okay? So let's get into it. You ready, Jay? All right, here we go. This first race is throttle only versus Electric XP throttle only. Ready, set, go. Ah! Dude, that was like 5 seconds, dog. All right, so the next one that we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna allow Jane to use pedal assist because it's only fair. You know, electric XP can hit the top speed when you in pedal assist 5. So we're gonna let her do that. I'm gonna stick with throttle and we're gonna see how much more faster this bike is. You ready?
I'm ready.
To lose. Set, go. Oh shoot, she's right here with me. Hey, she's right here with me. What? No way. No way. She's right there. Wow. Wow. Wow, Jane. I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
My leg got tired.
I'm impressed. That was good. We just located a decent sized hill. I don't know the grade, but it is a hill. So we're gonna see how fast this puppy can go up this hill. You ready, Jane?
Ready.
Let's go. All right, so I think the fastest is gonna is, oh, no, never mind. We just hit 22. Yeah, it looks like 22 is gonna be the top speed uphill. It's a little bit steeper now, so we're slowing down. 18, 17, so it's like 18 when it gets a little bit steeper. But it's doing pretty good. If it can do it, it's holding 20 miles per hour going uphill. That's pretty darn good if you ask me. All right, now we're gonna take it downhill, and this is when it's gonna get really fun. And that's why I got the full face helmet on, because your boy is not trying to get hurt, just in case I crash. So yeah, let's take it downhill and see what the ultimate top speed is. This is about to be scary. Jane wants to let the people know that she does have a helmet. She just chooses not to wear it. She just keeps it in the garage, okay? But she did buy one. That's the first step. All right, so we're gonna get into the joint. Let's see how fast it goes down this steeper hill. It better go faster than 34, okay? Let's get into it. "36 miles per hour, god damn. 37. We're going fast. 38. Oh, shoot. 39. Oh, God. Okay. We're not going to hit 40, but goddamn. Sorry to cuss, guys, but you got to. When you're going that fast on a freaking bike. 39 miles per hour. There it is. And that's what it's going to be. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button 129 times for your boy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on them notifications. We dropping videos every single week and we not taking a day off. That's in the video. Until the next one, deuces like that.